everyone, welcome back to the WorkPacks video series. I'm Aaron Workman, and in this video we'll be exploring our project using the easy search. Let's go! In WorkPacks, we have a persistent search capability that we call the easy search. Let's jump back into our H2O project, and we can see that the team has made some significant progress in developing the path of construction. We now have CWAs and CWPs defined. We also have a 3D model loaded. We talked about defining CWAs in 1D and 2D in our last video. But here's how we can view that data from different perspectives, including 3D, using the easy search. WorkPacks accommodates multiple ways to visualize and understand the data on your project. Like to see data grids in a 1D view? Cool. If you like to associate the areas of the project that you see in the 2D over the plot plan, that's great too. And what about 3D? Can we see data overlaid on the model? Yes and yes. The easy search facilitates this visualization across the 1D list view, 2D plot plan, and 3D model. So let's take a look. I want to take a look at my CWPs and associated data in one area of the project rather than the whole thing. Of course, as we've seen in previous videos, we could do this using a project view or with an applied filter, but we can also utilize the easy search. By default, we can search by any level, but you can also search at a specific level, such as area, unit, CWA, CWP, discipline, or field discipline. Each one of these levels is color-coded, and as the chip shows up in the search bar, it is color-coded too. So you have an idea of what criteria you are searching by. In this case, I'm searching at the CWA level for CWA 6101, one of the hydrogen storage areas, and we see that only the data for 6101 is appearing. If I add CWA 6103 to the search, that data is also added to the grid. But that's not all. When we flip to the summary on plot, my 2D view, the search is still applied. This is what we mean by persistent search. Whether I'm in the 1D, 2D, or 3D, I can still utilize the same search criteria. If I remove a chip, the data disappears. And if I remove all chips, we get back to the full data set. So let's reapply that search and continue down the tabs here to the CWP Matrix. And you see that the data is filtered here. But here is one of my favorite applications of the easy search, the 3D model. Here's what we get. The 3D model geometry is searchable. Those two CWAs are the only ones that are showing up here, and if I remove a chip, the 3D model responds accordingly. The WorkPacks Easy Search applies to other data types, not just CWPs. You can use this to see BOQ and BOM data, documents, tags, ROS dates for procurement data, IWPs, and other project information that you've loaded into WorkPacks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.